This is the National Weather Service in Elko, Nevada, with an assessment of potential for flooding across northern Nevada during the 2013 spring season. There are several factors to consider when evaluating flood potential for mountainous regions, including snowpack, soil moisture, reservoir storage, temperature, and rainfall. We will briefly examine these elements as it pertains to projected stream flows this spring across northern Nevada. Snowmelt is Nevada's primary water source in spring. This is a map of observed snow depth as of April 17th. Notice that the Jarbidge Wilderness area of Elko County and the mountains of eastern White Pine County still have at least a couple feet of snow at high elevations. Rivers and streams in the Jarbidge area flow north into Idaho, and snowmelt from the Snake and Shell Creek ranges in White Pine County will flow towards southern Nevada. Thus, across the greater part of northern Nevada, flooding purely due to snowmelt is unlikely. Moist or saturated soil will allow for more water to run off and end up in rivers and streams. The non-shaded area you see shows that soil moisture is lacking across much of Nevada due to an extended period of drought. According to the authors of the Drought Monitor, most of northern Nevada has been experiencing drought conditions since January 2012, and conditions are now generally classified as severe intensity. The expectation through June is that the current drought will persist or intensify. When reservoirs are full, runoff water into streams and rivers will be maximized, since additional water would not be retained. This bar graph gives a glimpse into how reservoir storage is faring this year. While our neighbors to the north and east, Montana, Idaho, and Utah, are above average, Nevada is reporting well below average reservoir storage. Excessively warm temperatures in early spring can create a more rapid snowmelt. The outlook through April is for temperatures to be slightly above normal. However, the 3-month outlook is favoring a near normal temperature pattern. Rainfall, especially warm rain on snow, can induce strong stream flow conditions as it speeds up snowmelt. The precipitation outlook through April is for near normal conditions. The 3-month outlook through June calls for below normal precipitation. In summary, we evaluated several key factors that typically lead to high flows or flooding across northern Nevada. This year, 5 of these elements conducive to expectations of flooding along main rivers and streams are not that impressive. In general, snowpack is minimal for this time of year, soil moisture is lacking due to an extended drought, and reservoir storage is low due to 2 successive winter seasons with inadequate precipitation. The outlook through June 2013 is for the general temperature regime to be near normal with below normal rainfall. Thus, the outlook is that no significant river flooding is expected to occur across much of the state through late April. And the risk for any flooding through spring is low across Nevada, as is the case for most of the western United States. While main stem rivers and streams are not expected to flood this year, some smaller streams and rivers can still experience a strong flow when snow begins to melt. As mentioned earlier, the mountains of northern Elko County and White Pine County are holding the highest snowpack amounts, and the Bruno and Jarbidge rivers could see some high flows. Lamoille Creek in the Ruby Mountains, shown here, tends to have the high flow during spring each year. The later the snow starts to melt off, the faster it may come down. This graph demonstrates that Lamoille Creek has not shown a noticeable rise to date. High temperatures have generally been in the 40s and 50s in Lamoille Canyon. This water body is one of the flashiest sights in northern Nevada, and once snowmelt begins, the creek could rise more than 1 foot during each afternoon through early evening for weeks or even months in some years, typically receding each night around midnight. This has been a web brief from the National Weather Service in Elko, Nevada, on the potential for flooding across northern Nevada this spring. Thanks for listening.